Guys, Linda Bomba here from lindabomba.com, and I'm cutting this video to show you how to manage the tabs on your Facebook fan page. I am here on my fan page. If you go here across the top, there's some different categories, and I want to put my email sign up here. If you click here, you can see that it says there's different things that says manage tabs, and you'll get them all, but they'll pop up here. I want to put this next to the about thing, and you can move any of these around and you can add or remove more tabs here. I'm going to click save it, and you can see here it's refreshed my tabs here and the email sign up, which is email sign up to my newsletter that people can opt in here. So that's how you manage your tabs on your fan page. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're looking for more free Facebook marketing training, go ahead and click the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.